Welcome everyone, this is Don Pesce. I'm going to be talking to you about MOTU Digital Performer today and a hack that is very quick to do when you're looking for effects presets. So right now I have a bass track and a chorus plugin that's up on it. And I'm going to show you really quickly how to go through all these presets. Okay, I'm going to just choose the top preset. I'm going to play the track. And I'm going to hit Command, Control, Plus to go down the list. Now I can choose any one of these plugins, presets. That's not going to work. So I can hit Control, Shift, Minus to go back up the list. And especially for plugins that have long menus, it's so nice to be able to do this within Digital Performer. So you can find the one that you want and then you can tweak the preset however you want it. It's just a really fast hack. I hope this helps you when you're going through all of your presets and not to be bogged down by what you're doing. Listen, don't even look at the preset, just listen to what you've got, and then when you find something that's creatively in the spectrum of what you want, use that preset and tweak it to your own, save it, and you'll be better off for it. I hope this helps. Thanks again. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and put any comments down there that you might have. Thanks so much. Appreciate it.